ꯇꯥꯝꯅ ꯈꯨꯔꯨꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯡ ꯃꯨꯇꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯡꯊꯣꯏꯖꯅꯨ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯐꯝꯅ ꯇꯦꯟꯊꯥ ꯃꯔꯣꯡꯄꯠ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯋꯥꯏꯈꯣꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯒꯥꯔꯜꯁ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ BSc 5th semester ꯇꯝꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯄꯥꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯏꯃꯨꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯇ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯖꯒꯣꯏꯗ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯁꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯩ Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 1, Mutum Sintoy. Please welcome contestant number 2, Tonauzam Strela.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, our lovely judges. I introduce myself as a girl who's never believed in giving up or failure. This is Strela Tonauzam, your contestant number 2 from Uripok, Bachaspati Laikai, Imphal. In my leisure time, I love to write songs, stories, and poems, and moreover, I love to play guitar. Last but not the least, as a person who truly believes in unity and equality, I would like to add a few words from Ryunosuke Satoru. Individually, we are just a drop of water, but together, we can be the ocean. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was contestant number 2 from Tonauzam Strela. Next, here with us, contestant number 3, Janita Akoijam.
Ahamba magtada, Zuri Singhu Kongno na Kurumzari, Amadi Mayamusu Kurumzari. Aigi Ming, Janita Koizam, Aigi Laifam na Wangkai Koizam Laikai, Aina Haizaning Badi, Ngasigi Miss Manipur Sina, Kangnuk Masin, Punsamina Duna, Amata Oina Himinaba Orasi, Amuka Hanasu Mayamu Tagazari.
That was Janita Koizam. Now put your hands together for Aliliu Daime, contestant number 4.
If you ever try again, you might fail again. It doesn't matter. Try again, but fail better. A warm evening to all the jury members, ladies and gentlemen. Presenting myself is Aliliu Daime from Chingmairong. I belong to a traditional... Moment started, that is the way.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for the inconvenience caused. Let's bear with us for a moment.
I proudly represent all the communities tonight in bringing the beauty in diversity here in Miss Manipur 2017. During the day, I am a student of LLB in LMS College in Imphal, and in my leisure time, I love singing and being with my family. I am fun, loving, and adventurous person, but I believe in hard work is the key to success. So tonight is my first step in achieving my dream by winning the crown and further making my state proud by becoming an army officer and serving my nation. So friends, do what you like to do. Find a joy in doing it. Because it is not about the best. It is about being better than who you were yesterday. Thank you and enjoy the evening.
Contestant number 4, Aliliu Daime. Next we have contestant number 5, Ngongom Vidyapati Devi.
Kurumjari. A very good evening to one and all. I am Ngongom Vidyapati Devi from Lambai Khongnangkhong. I'm a medical student of RIMS and I love singing folk songs. I strongly believe that if we stand together, hand in hand, if we are united, and if we start doing something good each and every day, we can make our society a better one. Thank you.
That was Ngongom Vidyapati Devi. Please welcome Serena Hong Sambon, contestant number 6.
Hello everyone. A very good evening to one and all present here. I'm Serena Ahong Shambam from Julalin Kabalekai. I'm 18 years of age. The message I would like to convey to everyone is that for a dream to be achieved, we need to decide what we want is more than we are afraid of it. And I also believe that the future belongs to those who believe in the beauties of their dreams. And here I am, standing before everyone, trying to pursue my dream. Thank you, and have a pleasant evening.
That was contestant number 6, Serena Ahong Sambam. Next we have contestant number 7, Priyanka Gontimayung.
Nasigi Miss Manipur 2017 asibu yengbala piriba ahlaman lai guru amadi jaje singbu ahan mamaktada ainai ko mona khurumjari aigi imi Priyanka Gotimayung aigi leifamna hawal khong ahan bidagini ai hauji Friendship Higher Secondary School da class 12 tamjari aigi pamjabana lairik paba jagoi saba amadi sei sakpani aigi punsigi oiba pandamna Maitay nupi ama oibagi chap chaba gun adu chenba pamjai aduga aina Manipur ki miyam da pizani ba paujedi ngasigi nisada lai churaba miyam singasibu khajikta koiraba su yanta nasi aina aina miyam da hajeri aduga sunatana ngasigi Miss Manipur contest asibu sehi sehi khudingi hena chakutpa orisanu haibadu aini soda thoni jage aroibada Priyanka Gotimayung na amuka naiko mona khurumjari
That was Priyanka Gotimayung.
Hello, good evening one and all present here. It's Lashram Susidra from Wangingtham Khonglaikai, Thawal district. Currently, I'm pursuing in class 11 science, HDCAM matter. Regarding my hobbies, I'm interested in dancing. If I say something about my future career, I aspire to become a supermodel. And lastly, I want to say that the beautiful thing about fear is, if you run to it, it runs away. Thank you.
That was contestant number 8, Lashram Suchitra. Now, ladies and gentlemen, put your hand together for contestant number 9, BD Sangnirin Anal.
Good evening, Manipur, and to all my respected judges. I'm very fortunate to be among the finalists of Miss Manipur Contest 2017. For this, I'm really thankful to God and to the organizers as well. This is contestant number 9, BD Sangnirhin, belonging to Anal tribe from Topokpi village, Chandel district.